Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss how to print the following number pattern in Python using for loop. Let's see with practical example here. So I'm just going to select this code and number and delete it. Now I'm going to write the code here. Declare a k variable and assign the value as 8. M variable, assign the value as 1. Then for loop for I in range. Range function take the two argument, lower limit and upper limit. Assign the 0 value as a lower limit and 4 as upper limit, which means this loop will be executed 4 times. Within this loop I am going to write another loop. This is called the nested loop for j in range and assign the 0 value as a lower limit and k value as a upper limit. The upper limit depends on the value of k. Within this loop I am going to call the print function and provide the right here the and equals to double quote. This code simply provide the space how many times this loop will be executed. Come outside of this loop and simply write here the k equals to k minus 2, which means the two values subtract from the k variable and assign again into the k variable. Now I'm going to write another nested loop for j in range and initialize 0 value to the lower limit and m value as the upper limit. The upper limit depends on the value of m. Within this loop I am going to simply write here print and I plus 1, add the 1 value with the I variable and write here and equals to double quote. This code simply you will understand, print the value within the same line. And now come outside of this loop and simply write here m equals to m plus 2. This code simply add the 2 value with the m variable and again assigning to the m variable. Now call the print function print and with the help of print function we can change the line in the output. Now cursor come here and now I'm going to explain from the starting. So first of all the 8 value assigning to the k variable, 1 value into the m variable. Now control come here and assign the 0 value to the lower limit and 4 as a upper limit. So 0 value which is lower limit assign into the I variable. So the value of I is 0. Control come here and simply assign the lower limit as a 0 and upper limit as a k and the value of k is 8. So this loop will be executed 8 times and provide the 8 space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this loop is terminated. Control come here and simply subtract the 2 from the k variable. So 8 minus 2, 6 value assigned into the k variable. In this time the value of k is 6. Control come to this inner loop and assign the 0 as a lower limit and m as upper limit. The value of m is now 1. So this loop is executed 1 times. And control come here and simply the value of I is 0 plus 1. 1 value printed here and now 1 printed here and this loop is terminated because this loop is executed only 1 times. Control come here and simply add the 2 value with the m variable. The value of m is 1. So 1 plus 2, 3 value assigned into the m variable again. Now the control come here and simply change the line with the help of print function. Now control come outer loop and simply increment the 1 of the lower limit. So 0 plus 1, 1 value assigned into the I variable. Now the value of I is 1. Control come here and again initialize the 0 value as a lower limit and the value of k is 6. So this loop will be executed 6 times and provide the 6 space here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Loop is terminated. Control come here and 6 minus 2, 4 value assigned into the k variable. So the value of k is 4. Control come here and initialize the 0 value as a lower limit and the value of m which is 3, which means the upper limit is 3. So this loop is executed 3 times and in this time the value of I is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 value. At the first time print the 2 value. At the second time it will print the again 2 and third time also print the 2 value. Now loop is terminated. Control come outside of this loop and add the 2 value with the m variable. The value of m is 3. So 3 plus 2, 5 value assigned into the m variable. Now the value of m is 5. Control come here and change the line here in the output. Now cursor come to the starting point. Now control come to the outer loop again and increment the lower limit as a 1. After increment, the value of I is 2. Sorry, the lower limit is 2. So 2 value assigned into the I variable. So the value of I is in this time 2. Control come here and in this time the value of k is 4. So this loop will be executed 4 times and provide here the 4 space 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this loop is terminated. Control come here and simply subtract the 2 value from the k variable. So the value of k is 4. 4 minus 2. 2 value assigned into the k variable. So in this time the value of k is 2. Now control come here and initialize the 0 value and the m as the upper limit, and the value of m is 5. So this loop will be executed 5 times. And every time this will print the adding one value with the I variable, and the value of I is 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 value, it will print the 3 value as a 5 times. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means 5 times print the 3 values here. Now loop is terminated. Control come here and add the 2 value with the m variable. In this time the value of m is 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. Assign into the m variable. So the current value of the m is 7. Control come here and change the line here. So press enter, change the line here. Control come to the starting point. Now control come to the outer loop and increment the value of lower limit as a 1. So after increment, the value of lower limit is 3, assign into the I variable. Now the value of I is 3. So the value of I is 3. Now control come here and this inner loop and simply assign the 0 value as a lower limit, and the value of k, which is 2, as upper limit. This loop will be executed 2 times and provide the 2 space here, 1 and 2. Now this loop is terminated. Control come here and simply subtract the 2 value from the k variable. So 2 minus 2, 0 value assigned into the k variable. Right now the value of k is 0. Control come here and initialize the lower limit as a 0 and upper limit as a m, and the value of m is 7. So this loop will be executed 7 times here, and in this time the value of I is 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So 7 times print the I will print the 4 value here. So just 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the loop is terminated. Control come here and add the 2 value with the m variable. Now the value of m is 7 plus 2, 9 assigned into the m variable. Now the value of m is 9. Change the line here with the help of print function. Cursor go to the starting point. Control come here and increment the lower limit as a 1. After increment, the value of I is 4. So loop is terminated, and this is the output of my program. Now I am going to delete this code and run this code here. Run the module. Okay, and the output is look like this. You can look here, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. This is the output of my program. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.